To begin your cleaning routine, first make sure your device is off. Start your cleaning routine by brushing over the microphone ports, over the buttons, and over any other ports. To disinfect, use wipes made specifically for hearing aids. If you use alcohol on the body, you may risk taking off the finish. To clean the ear domes, pop them off the receiver and then wipe them down. It is okay to use alcohol on the domes themselves. Turn them inside out and get the inside as well. Use the pointy end or wire loop end of a brush to clear out these holes of any blockage. When the domes get too torn up or stained, it's time to replace them. They typically last 3 to 6 months, although some users can make a single dome last for several years. Now clean the receiver by brushing off any loose debris or earwax from the front and the back, and wipe it down with some hearing aid wipes. If the wax trap is dirty or clogged, then you can pop the old one out and pop the new one in. For longevity, store your device inside of a dry jar like this one, with the battery doors open. Make sure the device is off.